Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shivani and you are watching Shivani Dubey Computer Classes. Yesterday we have discussed MCQ questions from 1 to 15 of digital logic. Today we will start MCQ from question number 16 onwards. So let's start the first question. Question number 16. Which law state A plus A equals to A? Option A, identity law. Option B, idempotent law. Option C, complement. Option D, associative. किस लॉ में ऐसा बताया जाता है कि कोई भी A प्लस A इक्वल्स टू A ही होता है? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, idempotent law. Moving ahead to question number 17. A into 1 equals to option A 0, B 1, C 1, D A inverse, and the correct answer is option number B, that is A. मतलब A में कुछ भी 1 से जब भी वो मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो वो इटसेल्फ नंबर ही आएगा. मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. A plus 0 equals to what? Option A 1, B A, C 0, D A inverse, and the correct answer is option number B, that is A. Means A plus 0 equals to A means कोई भी डिजिट में 0 अगर आप ऐड करते हो तो वो डिजिट इटसेल्फ ही आंसर आता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. A plus A inverse equals to option A, B 0, C 1 and D A inverse, and the correct answer is option number C, that is 1. Question number 20. A into A inverse equals to option A 1, B A, C 0, D A inverse, and the correct answer is option number C, that is 0. Moving ahead to question number 21. Which device perform binary addition? Option A decoder, B adder, C encoder, D multiplexer, and the correct answer is option number B, that is adder. Moving ahead to question number 22. Half adder has option A 1 output, B 2 outputs, C 3 outputs, and D 4 outputs, and the correct answer is option number B, that is 2 output. It means outputs are sum and carry. Question number 23. Full adder has how many inputs? Option A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5, and the correct answer is option number B, that is 3. So inputs are A, B and carry in. Moving ahead to question number 24. Multiplexer is also called option A data selector, B decoder, C register, D counter, and the correct answer is option number A, that is data selector. It selects one input from many. Question number 25. Demultiplexer is option number A data distributor, B data selector, C memory, D counter, and the correct answer is option number A, that is data distributor. One input is routed to one of many outputs. Question number 26. Decoder converts option A binary to decimal, option B decimal to binary, option C analog to digital, option D digital to analog, and the correct answer is option number A, that is binary to decimal. Now moving ahead to question number 27. Encoder converts option A decimal to binary, option B binary to decimal, option C binary to analog, option D analog to binary, and the correct answer is option number A, that is decimal to binary. It means encoder generates binary codes from active inputs. Moving to question number 28. Flip-flop are used for option A amplifications, option B storage, option C rectifications, option D oscillation, and the correct answer is option number B, that is storage. It means flip-flop store 1 bit of data. Moving ahead to question number 29. Which flip-flop has no invalid state? Option A SR, B JK, C D and D T. And the correct answer is option number B, that is JK flip-flop. JK eliminates the invalid SR condition. Moving to question number 30. D flip-flop stores option A 2 bits, B 1 bit, C 4 bits, D 8 bit. And the correct answer is option number B, that is 1 bit. D flip-flop store 1 binary bit. Moving ahead to question number 31, that is register is made of option A gates only, B flip-flop, C counter, D diode. And the correct answer is option number B, that is flip-flop. Question number 32. Counter is used for A counting pulses, B amplifying signals, C rectifying current, D voltage regulations. And the correct answer is option number A, that is counting pulses. It means counter counts clock pulses. Moving ahead to question number 33. A 4-bit binary numbers can represent option A 8 values, B 10 values, C 16 values, D 32 values. And the correct answer is option number C, that is 16 values. It means 2 power 4 equals to 16 possible combinations. Moving ahead to question number 34. Which code detects single bit error? Option A gray code, B BCD, C ASCII and D parity bit. And the correct answer is option number B, that is parity bit. A parity bit helps detect single bit transmission error. Question number 35. Gray code changes options all bits, B 2 bits, C 1 bit, D 3 bits. And the correct answer is option number C, that is 1 bit. Only 1 bit changes between consecutive gray codes values. Question number 36. ASCII is used for option A character coding, B error correction, C encryption, D compression. And the correct answer is option number A, that is character coding. It means ASCII represents letters, numbers and symbol. Moving ahead to question number 37. Which logic family is faster? Option A TTL, B CMOS, C relay, D diode. And the correct answer is option number A, that is TTL. That is, traditional TTL is generally faster than the older CMOS technologies. Moving ahead to question number 38, that is CMOS consumes A high power, B medium power, C low power, D infinite power. And the correct answer is option number C, that is low power. CMOS is known for low power consumption. Question number 39. Which gates output low only when all inputs are high? Option A NAND, B NOR, C XOR, D OR. And the correct answer is option number A, that is NAND gate. NAND gate is the inverse of AND gate. Now, moving ahead to question number 40. The Boolean expressions for an AND gate is option A, B, C and D. And the correct answer is option number B, that is A dot B. Means dot represent the AND operations. Moving ahead to question number 41. 4 times 1 equals to decimal. मीन्स आपको बाइनरी में नंबर दिया हुआ है, उसको आपको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो आप ऐड करो 1 + 2 + 4 + 8, you will get 15, and the correct answer is option number C, that is 15. Then after question number 42, again question repeated that 101 you have to convert. This is the binary number and you have to convert it into decimal. So 1 + 4 equals to 5. That means option number C, that is 5, is correct answer. Moving ahead to question number 43. Decimal 15 is a hexadecimal is option A E, B E, C F, D 10, and the correct answer is option number C, that is F. Hexadecimal digit F represent decimal 15. Moving ahead to question number 44. A truth table represents option A circuit diagram, B output for all input combinations, C memory size, D clock speed, and the correct answer is option number B, that is output for all input combination. So truth table lists outputs corresponding to every possible inputs combination. Moving ahead to question number 45. SOP stand for option number A sum of product, B series of product, C sum of powers, D signals of products, and the correct answer is option number A, that is sum of product. Means SOP stand Boolean expressions form. Now moving ahead to question number 46, that is POS stand for option A product of sum, B power of sum, C product of signals, D parallel output system, and the correct answer is option number A, that is product of sum. It means POS is another standard Boolean expressions form. It stands for product of sum. Moving ahead to question number 47. Carnot map is used for option A coding, B simplification, C storage, D counting, and the correct answer is option number B, that is simplification. K-map simply Boolean expressions and reduce logic gates. Moving ahead to question number 48. A clock signal is used in option A sequential circuit, B combinational circuits only, C amplifier, D power supply, and the correct answer is option number A, that is sequential circuit. Sequential circuit uses clock pulse to synchronize operation. So the answer is sequential circuit. Moving ahead to question number 49. Which memory is volatile memory? Option A ROM, B EEPROM, C RAM, D flash, and the correct answer is option number C, that is RAM. RAM is a volatile memory and it is also called primary memory. Moving ahead to our last questions. Which circuit has a memory? Option A combinational circuit, B sequential circuit, C logic gates, D decoder. and the correct answer is option number B, that is sequential circuit. It means sequential circuit use memory element such as flip-flop, so their output depends on both current input and previous state. तो आज के लिए यहीं पे मैं ख़त्म करती हूँ अपने 50 MCQ। नेक्स्ट डे और क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, तब तक स्टे कनेक्टेड विथ मी।